Okay, so good morning, good afternoon, whatever time of day it is. Today we're going to be looking at multiplying and dividing fractions. So we're going to start off with multiplying. These are a lot easier than the adding and subtracting fractions that we did earlier. So multiplying then. All we do is we draw horizontal lines to link the numerators and horizontal lines to link the denominators. And all you do is quite simple, is you multiply across, so the 4 times 3 in the old numerators becomes 12, and your denominator becomes 9 times 7. Who can tell me 9 sevens, please? 12? No. Try again. 9 sevens, 63. Excellent. So 12 over 63. And that is all you have to do to multiply the two fractions. There is, I'd call that an answer for one tick. There is something else you could do. A little bit of a recap. We could actually cancel the fraction down. Now, 12 and 63 are both in what times table? Very good. They're both in the 3 times table. So 4 3s make 12 and 21 3s make 63. So you could cancel the fraction down and get the extra mark. Okay, that's multiplying done with. Now, over here, quick, keep going, stop. Right, okay, so now dividing then, it's the same as multiplying, but we've got to do one extra thing. So first of all, we'll write the first fraction out, 4/9 there, and then the second fraction, so we've got to do something magical, and we've got to turn the fraction upside down. Turning the fraction upside down. So put me the right way. I'm getting seasick. Put me up the right way. Thank you. Right. So our new sum will look like this. It will look like 4/9, and then we've got the 7 over 3 because we've turned that fraction upside down. Please don't do it again. Now, once we've turned the second fraction upside down, we replace the divide sign with a multiply sign. And then we do it in exactly the same way as before. So who can remember what we do here? Excellent. Right, so what we do is we times the two numerators together. So 4 times 7 gives me 28. And then we times our two denominators across together. So that gives us 9 times 3 gives us 27. Now there's one extra thing that you could do on that. As I can see, my 28 is larger than my 27, so we could recap back to our work where we're converting fractions into mixed numbers. So we see how many times does 27 go into 28? It goes 1 whole time. What's the remainder? Yes, 1. So 1's left over, so there's your 1 remainder there. And then we keep this denominator of 27 there. So 28 over 27, a vulgar fraction, an improper fraction, then turns into what we call a mixed number. So that will probably be 1 mark. That will be an extra mark, extra bonus mark. So that is multiplying and dividing fractions.